Welcome to TE Destinations. I'm your host, Rob, and in today's episode, we will be covering the Janiculum Hill with some of the most beautiful views of the city of Rome, the wonderful famous neighborhood of Trastevere, and checking out also the beautiful botanical gardens of the city of Rome itself in Trastevere. Andiamo! We start our day by heading out to the area of the famous neighborhood of Trastevere. Trastevere is unique in Rome, and one has to cross the Tiber to get to it, hence the name Trastevere. Back in the day, there were only the island bridges to get to it or by crossing the river by boat, which is why it's so special. Nowadays, the famous Roman poet Gigi Belli is ready to greet you when you arrive by tram. A few centuries later, they eventually added a new bridge, Ponte Sisto, thanks to the same pope who built the Sistine Chapel. This gave them two ways to get to the area on foot. Now it's time to go up onto the Janiculum Hill to see some of the best views of Rome. Many of these busts and statues are here to remind us that there was a great battle fought here to liberate the Romans from the Pope King and finally unify Italy as a country. Even the wife of Garibaldi, whose name was Anita, fought in the battle. She was Brazilian and a symbol of resistance and strength. Also from South America was the gift of a small lighthouse illuminated with the colors of the Italian flag. The Geniculum is known for its spectacular views, but let's take it up a notch, shall we? At the very top of the hill is the great patriot Garibaldi himself. He now looks out over the results of his hard work, the dream of a country of Italy realized with Rome as its great capital. A cannon goes off every day at noon from this hill, and it is so accurate you can set your watches by it. Another celebration of water arriving into the city. Did you know that this fountain has some columns that were from the old Church of St. Peter's? Did I ever tell you how much I love to cover Rome on my bicycle? That way, I can see these amazing monuments like the Memorial for Fallen Soldiers, and one of the greatest pieces of Renaissance architecture ever built. The Tempietto by Bramante. From a great jewel of the Renaissance to a hidden unfinished work by the Baroque master Borromini. Next stop, the Botanical Gardens of Rome. Beautiful gardens connected to the Corsini Palace, a place of outstanding beauty where the famous Christina, Queen of Sweden, lived for 30 years. Water is supplied to the gardens from the ancient aqueduct of Trajan, and it is filled with lovely concealed grottos and other secret places, like this amazing Japanese garden. After strolling through the bamboo forest, let's head out to Trastevere, one of the most beloved neighborhoods of Rome. Imagine designing a suburban villa where money is no object. The famous banker Agostino Chigi had this masterpiece designed using the best artists of this time, including Raphael, Sodoma, and Baldassare Peruzzi. Here we have scenes in the life of Alexander the Great, a man who inspired so many, even from ancient Rome itself. From Sodoma's masterpiece to a masterpiece of street art by Nevi. Take a look around you to soak in the beauty. Trastevere is one of the liveliest areas in Rome, filled with scrumptious street food paired with some perfect white wine. It is a place that is a true labyrinth of different kinds of people, places, and art, but it all works together. It seems to fit perfectly. It also has some of the most amazing churches in the Eternal City. Santa Maria in Trastevere is said to be one of the oldest churches in Rome, and it has arguably some of the most stunning mosaics the city has to offer. Anywhere you look is awe-inspiring. And now for a special secret, almost forgotten and certainly hidden treasure. These rediscovered frescoes by Pietro Cavallini are truly unique, filled with grace, movement, and emotion. It's a hot day, and what better way to cool off than having a gratta checca, scratched ice with flavored syrup, and fresh fruit. Yummy! Romans, expats, tourists, and everyone else you can think of love to congregate here to celebrate life with good food, wine, strolling around, and by watching street performers. This is a place that is completely inclusive for all walks of life, and that's probably the main reason why so many people want to live in Trastevere. Thanks everybody for watching, and a special thanks to Through Eternity Tours. Please remember to comment, share, like, subscribe, and click on the bell to be notified whenever we have a new video uploaded. Ciao, ciao.
Don't put your thumb up.
Oh yeah.
It's just this wasp of pus being spewed out toward my phone.
Welcome to Through Eternity Walks on this Halloween special.
We're going to go Ospedale San Camilo.
It's like a volcano. It's disgusting.
It is gross.